This is question 13 on problem solving from the 2010 TSA. So we're given this nasty looking table which represents someone's electricity bill for a quarter, and we're given these two types of tariff, the standard and the off-peak, and she uses this much standard tariff and this much off-peak tariff, and this is her total amount. So at the end of this period, the pattern of electricity usage changed, and she halved her standard consumption and increased tenfold her off-peak consumption. So what approximate bill is expected for this next period? And are these options. So the important bit to take with us is that the standard consumption halved and the off-peak consumption increased tenfold. So that's what we've got here. This is our original table. These are our options. So where should we start? Well, if we have a quick look at this table, we can see that this line leads to the total amount from the standard tariff, and so none of this stuff really matters, or the pence per unit, but if we're just halving our standard usage, then we just need to halve this amount. So in our new period, our new amounts will be, so what's half of 168? We'll call it 170, because these are rough numbers. So half of 170 is 85. Now we've got this fixed charge, which looks like it's going to be the same regardless of how much of the tariff we use. So let's keep that as 12.30, or let's call it about 10, because we're using rough values. Then we've got the off-peak usage, and we know that we're timing this by 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. Then we've got this fixed charge again of 5.45, so let's call it 5. And this is going to stay the same. So what's our new amount total? So we've got 85 plus 10, that's 95, plus 100 is 195, plus 5 is 200, which indeed is one of our options. So this corresponds to answer E on the question paper.